Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna walk you through on how to download and use Deepseek AI on mobile or Android or iPhone. So if you happen to be on mobile and you want to install or you want to download the Deepseek AI on your phone, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open up your Apple Store, because currently I'm recording this video on iPhone, so I'm just going to demonstrate how to do that using an iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is click on and open an app store on your phone. Once you open it might take a few seconds to load the delivered home page. So from there you can use the search bar. You don't have to start searching for the AI app on the entire Play Store. Just use the search bar at the top, then type in the name, which is Deepseek. So just tap on it, DEP, then Deepseek. You can see the first option. Just tap on the Deepseek. Then these keywords will prompt out the original app we want to use. So this is the app right here, Deepseek. This is Deepseek AI Assistant, Intelligent AI Assistant. Just tap on it. Then from here you can see that this app is currently new, has not been installed on my device. I'm just going to install it now. Then tap on Get. So as an iPhone user, it depends on your phone. If your Face ID or your password is enabled, so before you download the app, you can just verify that you are the one that wants to install the app. So just tap on Verify. It depends on other people's phone. If your Face ID is enabled, it will download it automatically. So from here I'm just going to tap on Download. Then I'm just going to give this a few seconds, about like a few minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, for this whole downloading process to take place. So the downloading process is going, and that's good. You can see the app has been successfully downloaded. Then we tap on Open. Then it take you back to, so it take you into the app. You just have to agree to the terms and conditions. Then from here you just have to create an account. If you have an account, you can just input your password, then your email. So if you don't have, you can just create a new one using your Google account, or you can use your Apple, you can use your iCloud account to create an account. So currently I already have an account on the website, so I'm just going to input my email, then my password. So okay, I'm just going to let me use the Gmail. So I'm just going to tap on the Gmail, then it takes me to Gmail website. Then I'm just going to make sure that the two is connection to each other. Okay, all right, let me just input my email. All right, good. All right, good. This is my email right there. So you can see it's going through the process. Yes, allow, and that's it. You can see I'm in, and that is how you can just successfully log in your account into your mobile devices. So from here, this is the app, which is awesome. It is an AI website, which is it has one of the best key features an AI assistant should have. It is a revolutionary and awesome. And the first part I say is that in fact this app is just newly released a couple of days ago, and it's performing wonders. Check the speed, they are awesome. For example, now if you want to check the in-app functions of the app, just tap on the two line icon at the left top corner, tap on it, then alright, good, almost open. You can see once you tap on it, then this is the chat history for you. Then if you want to go into your settings, just tap on the name icon at the down part of the screen. Then you can also use the search bar to type in message. You can use this plus button to add an attachment. You can also use this search button also to go on the web if you want to search any questions from the web. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.